The most popular and best-selling product is the Anti Snoring Blend. Main properties of our Anti Snoring Blend are eliminates snoring, clears sinus, delivers restful sleep, enhances respiratory tract, and easy to use by topical application. This product is used by direct application to skin and inhaling or by diffusing in a burner. Drip 1 drop of the blend on the tip of your fingers and apply under your nose. If a user finds this blend too strong, instead of applying it under the nose, it may be applied to the wrists. Rub 1 or 2 drops of the blend well into the skin behind each ear. Please remember to massage in well for a few seconds. Massage 1 drop of the blend onto the front of your neck where the Adam's apple is situated. Apply nightly or as required. Anti-snoring blend can also be diffused using a burner. Use 5 to 6 drops of the blend. However, this blend is more effective and works quicker when applied directly on the skin. You should remember to test all oils first for any skin reaction by applying 1 or 2 drops to the skin on your wrists. If skin reaction appears, dilute the blend 50-50 with any carrier oil like olive oil, macadamia oil, avocado oil, almond oil, or any other cold-pressed oil suitable for massage. If the skin reaction reappears, discontinue using the blend.